kids, I'm going to show you how to balance equations using polyatomic ion chunks so you can balance a little bit faster when you have polyatomics. Like we talked about in the video, the first one, the order of balancing is M and M, Ho. And when you find that you have a polyatomic ion that's preserved on both sides, that means that the polyatomic ion, like sulfate, made it to the other side here, and so did nitrate. Then you can use the order M poly, NM Ho, meaning that you do the metal first and then consider any polyatomic ions, then anything that's not a metal, then hydrogen, then oxygen, they're still last. Okay, so let's start here. We first start with the metals. That is still always the preferred element to begin with. And I see that there's one iron on both sides. That's okay. But I see that there's one aluminum here and two aluminums here. So I'm going to start by putting a 2 in front of this aluminum on the reactant side. Then I see that that gives me 6 sets of nitrate right here. 2 times 3. And I see that the nitrates here are 2 sets. So I'm going to put a 3 in front of the product. And I see that now that gives me 3 metals, 3 Fe's, and 6 sets of nitrates, 3 times 2. I've upset a metal, and remember the order is that if you upset a metal, since it has priority, you go back and you fix that. So I'm going to put a 3 on the reactant side. I'm going to put a 3 in front of this Fe, which gives me 3 irons and 3 sulfates, and I see that I already have 3 sulfates on this side, and so I'm done. The order then is 3 to 2 to 3 to 1. Use this technique whenever you have polyatomic ions that are preserved on both sides. It can really help save you a lot of time.